Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create eye-catching animated videos for free, today's tutorial is just for you. We're going step by step through how to use Canva, a tool that's not only free but really beginner-friendly, to put together your own animated scene. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to craft a simple yet engaging animation, even if you've never made a video before. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need a space to work on, so start by opening Canva and selecting Create a Blank Video. This blank video canvas is like having a clean slate ready for your imagination. It gives you the freedom to add, move, and animate whatever you want without clutter or distractions. If this is your first time in Canva's video workspace, don't worry, it's designed to be intuitive. Next, let's give our animation some life with a background. Head up to the search bar, which is your go-to for finding any graphic or photo you're thinking of. Type in city background and you'll see a variety of illustrations and images pop up. Browse through and pick one that matches the mood you're going for. A daytime cityscape might feel lively, while a night scene could be more dramatic. Drag your chosen city background onto the canvas, and if it seems off-center or too small, simply resize it by grabbing the corners. Think of this as your movie set. Everything else you add will animate on top of this foundation. Now let's add some action. Go back to the search bar and type in walking. This will bring up a selection of graphics, people, animals, even objects that look like they could be set in motion. Choose one that fits your scene. For example, a person or animal whose walking motion will be clear against your background. Once you add it to the canvas, you might notice it's quite large. No worries, just resize it until it fits naturally into the scene. Imagine placing a toy figure in a dollhouse. You want it to look proportionate and believable. Here comes the fun part. Click on the graphic you just added and find the option that says Animate. When you do this, several animation options appear, but you want to look for the one with a little bee icon and the words Create an Animation. This one lets you draw the path your character will follow. Think of it like sketching a route across a map. Instead of dragging your character all the way to the end right away, take your time and draw a smooth, logical path. This is the key to making the movement seem natural rather than robotic. If you make a mistake, just undo and try again. It can take a few tries to get it feeling right. Once your animation path is set, adjust the speed of the walk with the speed slider. If you want your character to stroll, set it slower. For a brisk walk, speed it up a little. Just play around until it matches the vibe of your story. Sometimes I find setting it a bit slower makes the movement look more realistic, but feel free to experiment. And just like that, you've created your basic animated video in Canva for free. From here, you can get creative, add more characters, throw in some fun transitions, maybe even add text or music. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have questions or want to see more Canva animation tricks, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one. Happy animating, and I'll see you in the next video.